So this puzzling incident, you're examined. You get a tour of the spaceship
No,
or the craft.
no,
Did they show you anything? It's just only on a need to know basis.
just the one room I was in.
The interaction with you and the question and answer session was more than Barney. They did not give Barney the opportunity to inquire.
No, no, there was no conversation with Barney.
You
I enjoyed myself. I had a great time.
Mhm.
He joked, we kidded.
really?
Yeah. I invited him to come back. I could say, please, please, please come back. Oh, I have so many friends who would love to meet you.
So this was not a traumatic experience at all.
No.
It was an enlightening experience.
Oh,
Spiritually uplifting,
Right.
perhaps.
Right. It was. Nobody can tell me there's not life on other planets.
At the same time, it seems that 36 hours after the sighting is on record, according to Jacques Vallée, that at 2:14 a.m., Pease Air Force was tracking an
Oh.
unknown object.
Oh yeah, I told him that. Pease Air Force Base released the radar report where they tracked this craft. It sent two planes out to check it out, and the reports of the pilots are still classified, so we know they just saw it.
To the skeptic, that kind of knocks them out of the water. Then, if for you to guess, if this were a concocted story, boy, you know your stuff. It's a pretty well orchestrated event to have Pease personnel involved, and that Betty and Barney, Barney was a postal worker.
Yeah.
Postal worker. You're involved in real estate, and that you pulled off a grand hoax through the Air Force. It's nearly impossible, if not impossible, absurd, I guess is the term I'm looking for. You're released from the craft. You get back into the car. You check your watches. Why?
Well, I don't think we checked our watches until we're almost home to see what time it was, and both our watches had stopped functioning.
And you could not account for some time elapsed.
No, we realized the trip had taken much longer than what it should have. Maybe about 2 hours.
Were you feeling woozy? Did you have a headache? Did you have any physical? Were you just exhausted? What can you describe what
No,
your feeling
we've been
was?
driving all night. We got home about 5 in the morning. We're calm, we're relaxed,
Oh, so you weren't.
feeling very well.
You didn't feel traumatized or
Oh,
injured
no,
at any
no.
time, or should I say violated at that time?
No.
You go in the house, and I guess is it the next morning you check out the car, and
Find this
what happens when you look at the car?
highly polished spots in the trunk of the car.
Really?
And that day, we were getting tropical rains from a hurricane that was going through, and it was heavy downpour, and didn't affect the spots at all. They stayed there for months.
Your sister, who claimed to have seen a UFO, suggested that you do what around the
Oh,
car?
she talked to a physicist
Mhm.
who said go out with a compass and check out the spots, which we did.
What happened?
And the compass was very, very erratic.
Almost spinning, or
Yeah,
just?
it was,
Uh,
and we tried it on different other parts of the car, and it didn't react that
But just
way.
near where the spots were.
Just the spots.
Hence the inference being a magnetic anomaly.
Yeah.
Something was really distorting the magnetic draw of the compass.